Hey yo, what's up, world? This is Jumi. So I'm gonna teach you guys about the how to get LiteFeet because ain't nobody teach about the how to exactly LiteFeet freestyle. You know? Check it out. So now I'm gonna teach you guys about the how to Rev Up today, but let me figure it out. I know nobody teach about how to exactly LiteFeet freestyling, alright? So today I'm gonna teach you guys about the Rev Ups. Yay! So watch me, don't watch on the TV, alright? So we're going to be like right first, and then left, and then left to the right. Just remember, right to the left and the left to the right. Step one, right, and then to the left, and then hop, and the left to the right. But just imagine like this, like so simple. It's like right to the left, to the left, to the right. Okay? All right, watch me. So focus my foot, please. Right to the left, to the left, to the right. All right. So everybody, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go. Pop, 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 pop. Rev Ups. Pop, 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 pop. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Right to the left, to the left, to the right. Alright, this is it. And then next move is you can add some bounce. Like bounce. It's like, for example, down bounce. Okay? It's like right to the left, to the left, to the right. Okay? But don't forget, it's going like LiteFeet is back, forward. It's like from back, there, and the front. Sounds like this. It's like 7 and 8. Down, gonna be to the front. Right to the left, to the front. It's like pop, 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 pop. Let's pop, 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 pop. Alright, so arms, arms, arms. This hand, okay? Like, if you're going 1, bang, bang, bang. It's like bang, right? Like this. And then left arm be like this one, okay? And then after that is cross it, then you can throw up, bang, all right? And then after that, you can like try to like throw some things like this. It's like feel like this, like before the throw something. It's like that.